Welcome back to Forbidden Knowledge News. Today is Saturday, August 31st, 2019. The activity from the Stromboli volcano in Italy continues to increase. On the 28th, there was a large explosion, ejecting ash over 2 kilometers above sea level, prompting the aviation color code to be raised to red. And on the 29th, a lava flow from the northeast vent area began to descend again, followed by another strong explosion, accompanied by strong lava spattering, overflows, and Strombolian explosions from various vents, which was then followed by another strong eruption from the southwest vent, and a new lava flow which eventually reached the sea. On the 29th, there was another strong eruption from the Shivala volcano in Kamchatka, Russia, producing a column of ash over 10 kilometers above sea level. This was the second large eruption in 1 week. Growth of the lava dome continues, accompanied by hot avalanches. Officials warn that more large explosions could occur at any time. An odor advisory first issued more than a week ago due to elevated levels of hydrogen sulfide from the Salton Sea has been extended for the 4th time. The advisory was first issued on the 18th after detecting hydrogen sulfide concentrations at 239 parts per billion, exceeding the state standard of 30 parts per billion. The gas is creating a smell similar to rotten eggs in the Coachella Valley. The Salton Sea and surrounding basin sits over the San Andreas Fault, San Jacinto Fault, Imperial Fault Zone, and a Stepover Fault shear zone system. Earthquakes higher than a magnitude 7 have occurred roughly every 180 years, with the last one occurring in the 1700s. Making the region long overdue for a large earthquake. On the 29th, there was a magnitude 6.4 off the coast of Oregon at a depth of 12 kilometers. Tremors from the quake were felt over 460 miles from the epicenter in Oregon and Washington. On the 28th, there was a magnitude 6.0 near Hokkaido, Japan, at a depth of 42 kilometers. On the 27th, there was a magnitude 6.6 near the South Sandwich Islands, at a depth of 10 kilometers. On the 29th, several people were missing after strong storms brought severe flooding to Morocco, causing rivers to rise, destroying homes, and killing several animals. On the 26th, there was an extreme hailstorm in Madrid, Spain, causing torrential flooding, washing away vehicles, and damaging homes and businesses. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like our Facebook page.